What is up, YouTube? Meso and Son here, back with another Amazon product review. What we are going to review today. Alright, so yeah, here it is. This is the HOTOR cordless vacuum, 12-volt vacuum for your car. The reason I got this, I like to do a lot of stuff on my own. I work in my own car. I just like to keep everything in-house, basically. So I'm not going to do an unboxing, but I will show you what comes with this vacuum. Comes with the extension hose. Obviously, the vacuum itself. Another extension, that'd actually be good to get down in the seats and the cracks and everything. And it comes with another fuse. And what else do we have here? Oh, nice. And the brush. Definitely come in handy. Alright, and one of the reasons I did buy this vacuum also is... Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, she's not being very... Dog hair. You got them, we got them. One of the first questions on this vacuum on Amazon, you can see it right here, is will this pick up pet hair? So that's what I want to figure out now. Alright, so I want to show you what you're dealing with here. This is how I'm going to test it. This is worst case scenario. I just drove 2,000 miles each way from Denver to Boston, there and back. On top of that, I took my dogs. And this is the damage that they did. This is what we're going to see if the vacuum does what it says.
I take care of my button. I had this feature that we were going to...
Okay, and per instructions to the manual, the owner's manual said start your car for more suction. So, let's get in here. Alright, car is started. So... let's do this. What we have makes most sense. Put the brush on because it is pretty grimy in here. Okay, that did almost nothing. Let's take the brush off. This thing is terrible. That's why I like giving honest reviews. Again, obviously nobody sent this to me, paid me to say this, but yeah, this thing is terrible. Let me give you a little closer look of what it didn't suck up. As you can see, I mean, we still have all that dog hair, all that dirt still there. So yeah, this thing is terrible. Definitely not recommended. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of a waste of money. I'm just gonna have to bring this one back, get a refund from Amazon. So yeah, okay. If you know of a good one that actually works for around the same price as this one, as you can see right here, link it in the description below. I'll check that one out. Hopefully it actually works. But yeah, again, this HOTOR definitely no. Okay, and I wanted to finish this back in the house. It was kind of rough out there. It was cold. I had 2 kids and 2 dogs. Not only that, I live next to an Air Force base. The fighter jets were doing maneuvers, training, whatever they were doing, but it got loud too. So the one thing I did want to say though is I am going to return this vacuum. I love Amazon returns right now. It's usually no questions asked. I mean, to the point where you saw the drone footage with my boy Matthew and Anthony over here. I got this one from DJI, but in the past I brought the original Mavic Pro I bought from Amazon, and I'll show you right here. We crashed it. Completely our fault. Completely my fault. I was the one flying it. They no questions asked. It was like $750 plus. Just send it back, we'll refund you. So I just want to show you how easy the process is. Return it. I don't know. Yeah, dogs. Gotta love them. I don't know if this is easiest for everybody, but they started doing just return to Kohl's department store. So you don't need the box. You don't have to box it up. You don't have to do any of that. You just bring, like I'm going to do with the vacuum right now, I'm just going to bring the vacuum to Kohl's. I'm still pointing up to show you the process. And it took about not even a minute for the return process. And I just got to drive to Kohl's. I don't even think it's 10 minutes away. Simple. Done. Refund. Alright, y'all. I just want to say Mesa. Well, Matthew, come here. Come say hi. Anthony, come on. Matthew.
Hello.
Anthony.
Hi.
Oh, shoot. He's a little shorter. We got to bump him up. We got to bump the kids up. But yeah, Mesa. Oh. Bye, YouTube.